What's happening, YouTube? Jason Ricci here, and welcome back to Free Friday. Subscribe today for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of free videos. Over 1,000, actually. Here we are in 2026. 20 years of YouTube. 20 years of harmonica lessons and harmonica-related content. And today, we're doing a call and response. What that means is you're going to play with me. We're going to play along. I'm using this killer little backing track from MCCD Sessions. That's that guy Ice B. These are great players here that make these. Lounge, blues, shuffle in the key of G. So I'm going to play a little bit, and then you're going to play a little bit. All right, you try it. Let's do it again. One more time. Ready? One more time. All right. The tab's right down there. All right, now we're just going to add a little bit. You try. I do it one more time. Yeah, all right. Let's try a new lick. All right, here we go. Wait for it to come around. This one's gonna be kind of easy. Right, here we go. Let's do it one more time. You try. I'll do it again. All right. One more lick. My turn. Try. Good. I'd say good, I can't hear you. Or maybe I can. Maybe I can. All right. I'm just going to blow a little. Free Friday. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Over 1,000 harmonica-related videos. Everything from gear to lessons to blues stories to stuff about my personal life, addiction, mental health, jail, anything you can imagine that has anything to do with playing harmonica or harmonica in general, right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 20 years of YouTube right here. I'd like to thank some of the people that make it possible. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, bringing you the very best in harmonica microphones, pedals, anything you can imagine that has to do with the harmonica besides the harmonica itself. Lone Wolf is doing it, family-owned company, right up the road from me in Ponchatoula, Louisiana. Randy Landry and his beautiful wife, Missy, family-owned company, doing the very best they can to bring you quality, guaranteed products that are all assembled right here in the United States of America. Blue Moon Harmonicas, you can get your name on the harp just like me. Custom combs, pre-war harmonicas, harmonicas from the Sonny Terry estate, all makes and models, just about anything you can imagine. Tom Halchak from Blue Moon can do it for you. And I play Hohner harmonicas, and Hohner hooks me up with some great harps that I love. They're like sports cars. I dig them. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Two brothers out of Topeka. They found me. I was already playing their stuff, and they called me up and said, Jay, we want to support you. They made me a brand new pedal board this year. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's held up to the rigors of the road. I've seen some fancy pedal boards from some other companies. They're amazing, but they don't match the quality and the durability of pedal pad made by two brothers out of Topeka. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget, harp gear, amplifiers. Even though you see me on a Twin or a Fender Bassman at home in New Orleans, when I just need to bring something up real quick, I'm grabbing Carmelita. That's my HG410 from Harp Gear Amplifiers. Brian Purdy out of Ocala, Florida. Thank you to Patreon. Patreon is the one who's keeping these videos free for you. If you've seen one of my thousands of free harmonica lessons, it is because people are contributing to Patreon. I'm not gonna lie, I'm motivated by a little money, right? The videos are free here for you because Patreon is supporting me. It's giving me $1, $5, whatever it is that you can contribute a month on Patreon. That's what's happening. They get a little extra. They get some private Zoom meetings, some private lessons, some behind the scenes vlog stuff. All of that's over on Patreon. All of the links to all of this stuff is right below every single video. Thank you again to all of my sponsors, and thank you, Patreon, for your support. If you don't want to be a member of Patreon, I understand that. You can leave a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal. Those links are right below this video and every other video, and on my channel page right here on YouTube. All the success I've had, whether you're a Patreon patron or you're supporting my sponsors or not, is because of you, the viewers on YouTube. Whether you subscribing, leaving a comment, liking the video, or sharing, you are helping me in some part. You don't have to do all of it or any of it, but maybe you could do a little of it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.